The Supreme Court on Tuesday held that cinema halls are fully entitled to set terms and conditions for the sale of food and beverages inside the hall if they wish to do so. The Supreme Court further said that the cinema hall owners have the right to bar outside food items inside their premises. A bench headed by CJI D.Y. Chandrachud said that a moviegoer has a choice as to whether or not he wants to consume the food that is being sold inside the cinema hall. The bench, however, reiterated at the same time that the cinemas should not object to the food carried by parents for their infants and that the halls must ensure that hygienic drinking water is available for everyone for free. The Supreme Court Constitution Bench, headed by Justice Abdul Nazir, a day before his retirement, held that members of Parliament, ministers, and the MLAs enjoy freedom of speech in equal measure as any other citizen in the country under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. The Constitution Bench said that the restrictions on freedom of speech of the public functionaries cannot go beyond what is already prescribed under Article 19, Clause 2 of the Constitution, which is exhaustive and applicable to all citizens. In a separate dissenting judgment, however, Justice B.B. Nagaratna has held that while the freedom of speech and expression is much needed so that citizens are well informed and educated on the aspect of governance, it cannot be allowed to turn into hate speech. The matter pertains to a statement made by Azam Khan, the then Uttar Pradesh minister, about gang rape victims. Supreme Court on Tuesday issued notice on a plea by the Madhya Pradesh government challenging a High Court verdict that held that mandatory reporting of conversion of marriage under Section 10 of the Madhya Pradesh Freedom of Religion Act is prima facie illegal. The state had moved the top court against the High Court verdict, and the Supreme Court today declined to stay the High Court verdict, saying that the issue was of larger public interest. While maintaining that safeguards were needed against illegal conversion through force, fraud, or allurement, the top court said that all conversions cannot be said to be illegal. The next hearing in the matter is slated for the 7th of February. A special NIA court in Mumbai has reserved its order on an application filed by Bhopal BJP MP Sadhvi Pragya Singh Thakur. Thakur is an accused in the Malegaon blast case, in which witnesses are currently being produced in the court by the NIA. On Tuesday, Advocate J.P. Mishra, who represents Sadhvi Pragya, said that the NIA was deliberately trying to delay the trial and sought that it be expedited. Mishra pointed out to at least 3 instances where irrelevant witnesses had been summoned by the NIA to prove their case, and after the witnesses came to court, the prosecution decided to drop them. The Supreme Court on Tuesday issued notice to the CBI on a petition by former Congress leader Sajjan Kumar and former MCD councillor Balwant Khokhar challenging the life imprisonment sentence imposed on them with regard to the 1984 anti-Sikh riots. The two, along with 2 other accused, were awarded life sentence in a case pertaining to the killing of 5 men in Delhi's Rajnagar back in 1984. The Supreme Court has asked the CBI to file its response to their petitions within 4 weeks.